Good morning, everybody. I welcome all of you in this virtual class of management. My today's lecture it is on my second subject in your class, that is office automation. First, in this introductory lecture, I would just give the basic introduction about my subject and its importance for the students of BBA, how they can benefit out of this subject, or how they can get the basic introduction about the computers and its related skills that they can apply in their management, right? So, office automation, what is the meaning of office automation? Office automation means it is in the language of management. I can see in many corporate houses you can find that there are specific technologies which are going to benefit, or they are also the part of that particular corporate houses, right? So there they should have the knowledge of internet, they should have knowledge about computer and its basic system, right? So for the management students or for the BBA students, how this subject is going to help them, right? Suppose apart from your managerial skills, if you also possess some extra skills like you are knowing how to make slides, right? So during your job in a corporate world, when you are able to make an interactive PPT, then it is a special characteristics of a person, right, which will enhance or which will be helpful in its career. So computer knowledge, computer basic system should be learned, right? So for the student of semester 1, we are having this subject. It is office automation. It comprises of 4 units, 4 chapters, right? The first unit that you can say, it is computer basics. The first unit or the first chapter is computer basic. In computer basic chapter, you are going to study about what is a computer, right? A block diagram of a computer, then different characteristics of a computer. We can say there are different characteristics of a computer which makes it very helpful for any person in today's time, right? So what are the characteristics of a computer? When we say basic characteristics is it is very faster, right, than a human being. It can calculate very fast. It can make work more easier, faster than a person. So that's why computer characteristics, that is, it is very fast, it is very speedier, and the results which a computer give will be 100% accurate result, right? ये एक लॉजिकल है, आप देख सकते हो. सपोज कोई भी कंप्यूटर की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हम बोले कि हाउ दे आर डिफरेंट देन ए पर्सन, तो डिफरेंट यही है कि वो बहुत फास्ट है, बहुत एक्यूरेट है और बहुत रिलायबल है, राइट? इसीलिए कंप्यूटर नॉलेज, उसकी बेसिक स्किल्स, ये सीखना भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, राइट? मैनेजमेंट स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एक, आप कह सकते हो कि एक एड ऑन, राइट? मैंने मैनेजमेंट की पढ़ाई की है, उसके साथ साथ मुझे क्या आता है, राइट? एक मैनेजमेंट में कौन सी चीजें मेरे को बेनिफिट करेगी, राइट? मुझे अच्छी प्रेजेंटेशन बनानी आती है, देन it is a very good for a person, right? So basic knowledge about the computer is utmost necessary for a management students to generally use that computer skills in giving presentations, right? Giving lectures, making business worksheet. So there are different other use of a computer. So in the first unit, that is computer basic, we are going to study about the basic thing about a computer. What are these basics? Right? These basics are block diagram of a computer, how a computer looks like, what are the different parts of a computer, right? What are different characteristics of a computer, right? What are different parts like CPU, central processing unit, then RAM, that is random access memory, then ROM, that is read only memory, right? Different types of memory a computer has. Even our mobile phone, it is having different kinds of RAM, right? That is random access memory. It is very important part of a computer. ROM, read only memory, then EPROM, right? EPROM. They all are the basic parts of a computer. तो फर्स्ट यूनिट जो है वो पूरा कंप्यूटर बेसिक्स का मतलब एक कंप्यूटर होता क्या है, उनके पार्ट्स क्या क्या होते हैं, राइट? पार्ट्स के नाम क्या है, राइट? कौन से पार्ट्स का क्या फंक्शन है, दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो इन द फर्स्ट यूनिट वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट कंप्यूटर and its basic components. So first unit is very simple. It comprises of the basic things, basic, right? Now second unit, that is input and output devices, right? We have different kinds of devices in our offices, in our institutes. We find example, we are having an LCD screen, touchpad, computer, laptops, scanner, printer, mouse. They all are different types of devices, right? So computer has, right, or we say input and output devices are those devices which are useful for a management, right? Input output devices, they also play a very important part of a, right? It is going to support the computer. Suppose if we have to take a printout, then there is a machine which is available for us, that is a printer. Suppose if we want to do a photocopy of any document, then we are having a machine which is called Xerox. We can make a photocopy, right? Scanner, you can scan your images, right? So different types of input and output devices are there, right? That is the unit number 2 we are going to study. Now come across the third unit, that is about internet basics. First unit was about computer basics, introduction about the computers, but third unit is about internet basics. What do you understand by internet? All of you might be knowing about internet. Internet का नाम पढ़ते ही, like we all know, internet क्या है, Google क्या है, right? Different social networking site क्या है, वो हम सबको पता चल जाता है. इंटरनेट से हम क्या क्या कर सकते हैं? इंटरनेट से हम आज की डेट में वी कैन डू मल्टीपल थिंग्स, राइट? नाउ एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग टू बी ऑनलाइन, राइट? इन इंडिया ऑल्सो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया इज हैविंग ए डिजिटल इंडिया campaign, In that Digital India campaign, government is promoting the digital methods of payment, digital methods of filling up the forms, or digital way of accepting different forms being filled by a person, right? So through internet, life has become very easier for a person. Why? Because the works are becoming very speedier, faster, accurate in a very few times. एक सीधा हिसाब लगा लीजिए कि मोबाइल फोन से कम्युनिकेशन कितना फास्टर है। आप कुछ सेकंड में कोई भी मेल 1000 लोगों को फॉरवर्ड कर सकते हैं, कोई भी फोटोग्राफ आप 1000 लोगों को भेज सकते हैं एक सेकंड में। ये ताकत है इंटरनेट की। तो इंटरनेट इज हैविंग, और इंटरनेट इज अ वेरी पावरफुल टूल for a person in today's time. So being a management student, you should be having a knowledge of internet, right? What kind of work we can do through internet, that is also important. So in the unit number 3, we are going to do, or we are going to learn about internet basics, right? So आप उसमें क्या पढ़ोगे यूनिट नंबर 3 में? दैट इज इंटरनेट, देन www, दैट इज वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब। आप कोई भी वेबसाइट ओपन करो तो उसके सबसे पहले आएगा www, 3 times W। वो क्या है, राइट? वो क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट है, वो भी हम इसमें पढ़ेंगे, जिसको बोलेंगे www, दैट इज वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब। नाउ दे आर द एड्रेसेस। सो इन इंटरनेट बेसिक वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट हाउ इंटरनेट वर्क्स, हाउ इंटरनेट इज यूजफुल, राइट? What all different things you can do through internet, right? So that is internet basic. We will do in detail in the next lecture, right? Now unit number 1, unit number 2 and unit number 3, these 3 units are, right, these 3 units are computer basics, then input and output devices, and third unit is about internet basics. Now fourth unit, that is very very important for you, that is about practical aspect. So in college we are having a very good library, there you can go and practice. So what we have to do in unit number 4 is MS Word, right? The first one that we will learn in 4th unit is MS Word. What is MS Word? MS Word means it is making different documents. You can format, right? You can give different font size. You can give header, footer. You can make your document more interactive, more attractive through MS Words. You can write different projects. So in BBA we are also having different projects, right? So in these projects we will type different informations in Microsoft Word, right? So if you have to type any documents, you require MS Word. If you have to make any presentation, that is you will make in PowerPoint presentation. So second aspect that we will study is MS PowerPoint, that is Microsoft PowerPoint. There we will be able to make different slides, right? How slides will be useful? Slides are useful for making interactive presentations. राइट? आप लोगों को भी एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिलेगा जहाँ पे आप कोई भी एक टॉपिक पे प्रेजेंट कर सकते हो. यू कैन प्रेजेंट एंड दैट टॉपिक विल बी फ्रॉम डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट. सपोज मेरा सब्जेक्ट है आईटी टूल्स ऑफिस ऑटोमेशन, तो मैं इसमें से असाइनमेंट दूंगा आपको, राइट? यू विल, या प्रेजेंटेशन दूंगा, आप प्रेजेंटेशन दोगे फॉर 5 मिनट्स, राइट? सो प्रेजेंटेशन देने से पहले आप क्या करोगे? आप पावर पॉइंट्स में स्लाइड्स बनाओगे, राइट? तो वो यूनिट नंबर 4 में हम स्टडी करेंगे पावर पॉइंट, राइट? थर्ड एस्पेक्ट that we will study in unit number 4 is about MS Excel. तो MS PowerPoint में हम स्लाइड्स बनाएंगे, MS Words में कोई डॉक्यूमेंट टाइप करेंगे, और MS Excel में कोई भी वर्कशीट हमको बनानी हो, then we can easily make, right? Suppose if I want to type a document for semester 1, that is FY BBA, then in Excel I will type roll number, name, place, mobile number, etc. Different details, or the details that I want. Right? So unit number 4 is totally about practical aspects that you have to do. Right? So thank you, students. Hope you have understood. We will continue with our first unit in the next lecture. Thank you.